Every time a species disappears, a piece of our planet's story is erased forever. While nature has its own cycle of life and death, some extinctions are entirely man-made. One of the deadliest reasons, hunting. Here are 5 incredible species that went extinct because of human greed. Number 1. The dodo. The dodo couldn't fly, had no natural fear of humans, and lived peacefully on the island of Mauritius. When sailors arrived in the 1600s, they hunted them for food and introduced invasive animals like rats and pigs that devoured their eggs. Within just a few decades, the dodo was gone. It was the first widely recognized symbol of human-driven extinction. Number 2. The great auk, standing over 2.5 feet tall. The great auk was a strong swimmer but couldn't fly. It was hunted for its meat, oil and feathers across Europe and North America. By the mid-1800s, collectors wanted the bird simply because it was rare. In 1844, the last pair was killed while incubating their single egg. That egg never hatched, and the species was lost forever. Number 3. The Bali tiger. The smallest of all tiger subspecies, the Bali tiger lived only on the island of Bali. Hunted for sport, rituals and skins, it faced relentless pressure from humans. There were no protected areas, no conservation laws at the time. The last known Bali tiger was shot in 1937. Today, only bones and black and white photos remain. Number 4. Martha, pigeon. Once the most abundant bird on Earth, with flocks so dense they blocked out the sun, but they were hunted in massive numbers for cheap meat and feathers. Their nesting grounds were destroyed and breeding became impossible. In 1914, Martha, the last passenger pigeon, died alone in a zoo. A global population of billions reduced to 0 by human hands. Number 3. Manatee, a gentle giant related to the manatee, growing up to 30 feet long. Discovered in 1741, it was hunted immediately for its meat and fat. In just 27 years, this peaceful marine mammal was hunted to extinction. It never stood a chance once humans found it. These animals didn't vanish because of climate change or disease. They vanished because we chose to hunt them, exploit them,